Hello everyone, my name is Ankur Roy. Welcome to this detailed walkthrough of my British Airline passenger CSAT dashboard, which I built using Power BI. This dashboard is designed to analyze passenger satisfaction data collected through customer reviews covering multiple aspects of travel experience such as cabin staff service, entertainment, food and beverages, seat comfort, ground service, and overall value for money. One important thing to highlight upfront is that all customer satisfaction KPIs in this dashboard are standardized on a 0 to 5 rating scale. This ensures consistency across all matrices and allow for meaningful comparison between overall satisfaction and individual service components. The main objective of this dashboard is not just to visualize ratings, but to understand patterns in passenger satisfaction across different dimensions, including time, geography, aircraft type, and service quality. From a business perspective, this kind of analysis helps airlines like British Airlines answer critical questions such as which services are performing well, where are passengers dissatisfied, are there regions or aircraft specific issues, and how has satisfaction evolved over time. Ultimately, the goal is to convert raw customer feedback into actionable insights that can guide service improvement and enhance the overall passenger experience. Let us start with the KPIs at the top. Here we can see the average overall rating along with the individual service KPIs such as cabin staff service, entertainment, food and beverages, ground service, seat comfort, and value for money. Again, all these KPIs are measured on the scale of 0 to 5 satisfaction scale, which makes it easier to interpret performance at a glance. The average overall passenger rating sits around the mid-range of this scale, which suggests the passengers are neither extremely dissatisfied or highly delighted. This indicates moderate satisfaction but not strong customer loyalty. When we break down this further, cabin staff service and the ground service consistently score higher than the other services. This highlights that human interaction and frontline staff performance are clear strengths for British Airlines. Positive crew behavior and smooth ground operations play a major role in shaping passengers' perception. On the other hand, entertainment, food and beverage, and value for money receive comparatively low ratings. These services, while not core to flight safety, significantly influence the overall travel experience and often differentiate one airline from another in a competitive market. From a business standpoint, this suggests that incremental improvements in entertainment quality, food consistency, and pricing perceptions could have a noticeable impact on overall customer satisfaction. Even small enhancement in these areas can shift passengers from neutral to positive sentiments. Moving to the line chart on the right, we can analyze the monthly trend of overall passenger rating, again on 0 to 5 scale. This visual allows us to understand how customer satisfaction has changed over the time rather than viewing it in a single static number. We can observe noticeable fluctuations during periods where the rating decline and then recover. These drops may coincide with factors such as operational disruption, fleet changes, seasonal travel pressure, or broader external events affecting air travel. From a decision-making perspective, tracking these dips alongside operational data such as delays, cancellations, or service changes can help the airline proactively identify the root causes of dissatisfaction. This allows the leadership teams to intervene early rather than reacting only after customer sentiments has already declined significantly. Next, let's look at the geographical analysis using the country-wise map. This visual displays the average overall passenger rating by country, providing a regional view of customer satisfaction. we can clearly see that the passenger satisfaction varies across different regions, with some countries consistently reporting higher ratings than others. This variation may be influenced by factors such as regional service execution, cultural exceptions, route-specific operations, or airport infrastructure differences. For a strategic standout, British Airlines can analyze high-performing regions to identify their best practices in service delivery. This successful approach can then be replicated in low-rated regions, helping improve consistency in passenger experience across the global network. At the bottom of the dashboard, we move into the aircraft level insights. The first chart shows the average passenger rating by aircraft type, helping us understand how different aircraft models impact customer experience. Some aircraft consistently receive higher satisfaction scores, while others show more mixed or lower ratings. The second bar chart complements this by displaying the number of reviews by aircraft type. This is important because an aircraft with lower ratings but high review volume represents a much larger operational risk compared to one with fewer reviews. Aircraft types that receive lower ratings and generate a large volume of feedback should be prioritized for cabin upgrades, setting improvements, or maintenance reviews. This targeted approach allows the airline to allocate resources efficiently where improvements will have the greatest impact. On the left-hand side, the dashboard includes a comprehensive set of interactive filters. Users can drill down the year, country, aircraft type, and individual service ratings, enabling focused analysis. All KPIs and visuals update dynamically based on these selections, making the dashboard highly flexible for both strategic and operational decision making. For example, if we select the year 2016, the dashboard changes. Again, if we select Argentina, again the dashboard changes accordingly. Again, if we select aircraft model, the dashboard again changes automatically. To summarize the insights from this dashboard, British Airlines demonstrates strong performance in staff-related service, which is a critical foundation for positive passenger experience. However, there are clear opportunities to improve value perception, entertainment, and food services, all measured consistently on 0 to 5 satisfaction scale. Passenger satisfaction also varies across time, geography, and aircraft type, indicating that one size fits all approach may not be effective. By focusing on targeted improvements in lower rated services and high impact aircraft or region, British Airlines can significantly enhance overall customer satisfaction and long-term brand loyalty. This dashboard demonstrates how customer feedback data can be transformed into actionable business insights using Power BI. This combines KPIs, trends, geographic analysis, and aircraft level insights into a single interactive reporting solution. Thank you for watching my video, and I welcome any feedback or suggestions on this.